Hey, skincare enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the latest and greatest in skincare trends. Today, I'm diving into the world of DIY coffee scrubs. These scrubs have been all the rage lately, and I'm here to find out if they live up to the hype. The big question: are they a cellulite buster or just a messy myth? We've all seen those before and after photos, but what's the real deal? First things first, what's the hype about coffee scrubs? Why are people so obsessed with rubbing coffee on their skin? Coffee is rich in antioxidants and caffeine, which can temporarily tighten and tone your skin. Sounds promising, right? But there's more to it. But does this mean it works wonders on cellulite? Let's break it down. Cellulite is a tough nut to crack. Cellulite is that dimpled skin, often on thighs and buttocks, caused by fat deposits pushing against connective tissue. It's a common issue that many of us face. While coffee scrubs might improve skin texture and circulation, the science behind reducing cellulite is a bit murkier. There's a lot of anecdotal evidence, but what do the experts say? Here's what you need for a basic coffee scrub. It's super simple, and you probably have most of the ingredients at home. 1/2 cup of coffee grounds, used or fresh. Fresh grounds are more potent, but used ones work too. 1/4 cup of brown sugar or sea salt. These act as exfoliants to slough off dead skin cells. 1/4 cup of coconut oil. This helps to moisturize and bind the mixture together. Mix these ingredients to form a gritty paste. It should have a thick, spreadable consistency. In the shower, apply it to your problem areas in circular motions for about 10 minutes. This helps to stimulate blood flow and exfoliate the skin. Rinse off and pat dry. You'll notice your skin feels incredibly smooth and soft. Now, does this actually work? Let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. Well, the exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and soft. This is a great benefit on its own. The caffeine can improve blood flow and temporarily plump the skin, making cellulite less noticeable, but only for a short while. It's a temporary fix, not a permanent solution. Keep in mind, this is not a miracle cure. It's important to have realistic expectations. Consistent use might enhance your skin's appearance, but don't expect cellulite to vanish completely. Regular use can help maintain smoother skin. Professional treatments and a healthy lifestyle will have a more significant impact. Think of the coffee scrub as a supplementary treatment, and let's talk about the mess. Coffee scrubs can be pretty, let's say, adventurous in the shower. You'll find coffee grounds everywhere. Be prepared for some cleanup. It's a small price to pay for smooth skin, but it's something to consider. So, is a DIY coffee scrub worth it? Let's weigh the pros and cons. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to pamper your skin and enjoy a mini spa experience at home, go for it. It's a fun and affordable way to treat yourself. Just manage your expectations regarding cellulite reduction. It's not a magic bullet, but it can be a nice addition to your skincare routine. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this helpful and informative. Have you tried a coffee scrub before? I'd love to hear about your experiences. Let me know in the comments. Your feedback is always appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay glowing. Take care and keep shining.